guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out a video of mine. As you guys can see the title of this video, today I will be doing a get ready with me for homecoming. I'm very excited for this because it is my first time going to homecoming. It's not that I never got invited, but I just didn't want to go, you know. If you guys want to see how I get ready, keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and what I use for my eyebrows is the Anastasia gel, and the brush I use is brush 12. To clean my eyebrows I use a Morphe brush M432. So now that I'm done filling my eyebrows, I will be cleaning my eyebrows with Tarte concealer. So apparently my makeup artist Glam by Candy slash mom, I said slash mom, cancel on me. She was supposed to do my eyeshadow, but me dejó. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but just cooperate with me. Yeah. And if my eyeshadow looks bad, let me know. It'll be too late, but just let me know. What am I doing? Okay, this is taking too long. So I'll be using my new Morphe brushes. Oh, if you guys have me on the snap, you guys saw that I posted them. My mom bought them. I bought them like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And if my eyeshadow does come out looking cute, then it's because these, and if it doesn't, it's because me. Oh. Okay, so I don't know what palette to use. Not the palette like the ones you eat, but the ones do your eyeshadow. My dress is blue and I'm not gonna do a dark color because that's when I mess up. Okay, oh my god, how am I gonna do eyeshadow without a palette? Camera's already gonna die and I've just started doing my makeup. Guys, so I'm getting ready and my phone's not even charging. What? Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the crease and I'm gonna use the same brush I used to clean my eyebrows. So the eyelashes I will be using today are from Lily Lashes. They are in Miami. They look like this. Okay guys, so the eyelashes are on. They're so nice. They look so pretty. I believe they were like $29 and I bought 2 pairs. I think it's pronounced Ella and Miami, and they were both like $60 with discount code, which brought $5 down. So we'll look for discount codes all over Google. That's what I did, low-key. So now before my foundation, I will be using this daily moisturizer. And also I will be using a shine killer for your oily parts in your face, and my oily part in my face is my nose. Like, I get so annoyed when it's so oily, and right here, like on top of my eyebrows. And the foundation I will be using today is from Huda Beauty. It's in Toasted Coconut 240N. Algo así. So now I'm gonna conceal my face with the Tarte. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. I'm still gonna be late, watch. You guys are probably wondering like, where's Melody? Why isn't she getting ready with you? But she went on a mini vacation with my dad and the other side of the family. So she's not going to homecoming, obviously, but. And I'm going to use this Tarte in shade Deep to contour my face. So my camera died, but this is my final look. Never too extra for homecoming or anywhere else. Necklace, what else? Earrings. I think I already have them on. But obviously we put some of that glow. And I just curled my hair after.
What is that?
Ooh, girl.
Okay, can you put this in there?
All of it?
Come on, no.
Where are you guys going? You guys gonna go dance too?
No, we don't look good.
A ver, Nico. Vuelta, vuelta.
Then I bet you we could start getting sitting down right like this. Ay, no. Vamos a llegar a sentarnos.
Néstor, no puede bailar, ¿verdad? You can't dance, Nico.
Who's that?
Nico, buy new shoes? No, I'm just kidding.
Like this?
She literally wears them to every event. Yeah.
No me hablen, soy Nikki B. So the dress is from Windsor and hers was too. Vuelta, vuelta. So I thought we were leaving and look at
Everyone
everyone.
makes us pray every time we eat.
Funny, I thought we were leaving. You're not comiendo pizza.
Don't stop flexing your camera.
Flexing.
When you know how to come back. Funny, are you ready to get down?
In the chair. Get down in the chair and eat.
You're sitting down the whole night. Now
Right.
bailar. They're gonna dance
The
with
boys
each
are
other.
gonna go next to them and I'm gonna get the other guy.
Today is a brand new day. Así se levanta uno after a party, you know. You know. But let's go see what Nasturina has cooking for us. Hopefully it's something good porque siempre hace cosas que no me gustan. Pa! What are you making? Nasturina's cooking. What?
Always cooking, bro.
What are you making?
Papas with chorizo and some beans with cheese. You know what I'm saying? Gotta hook it up for that. So how was that dance yesterday?
It was fun.
You were by yourself?
I was funny.
You think I was born yesterday?
Hmm?
You think I was born yesterday?
No, you're like what, 30?
25. I know there's more guys in there.
I was dancing with
You were
funny.
dancing by yourself? No guys. What?
No.
Why are you getting nervous?
Pa!
When you get nervous, your eyes get watery.
They're not watery.
You know an ass whooping is coming, right?
I can already feel it. Pa, leave me alone. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just close out the video right now because Nasturina's being... Oh my gosh. Okay, so at the end of every video, I do have a best comment shout out, and today's best comment shout out goes out to Kenya Lopez. Thank you so much for turning on your post notifications, subscribing to my channel, and also leaving a best comment. If you would like a best comment shout out, all you have to do is comment a best comment, turn on your post notifications, and subscribe to my channel.
Hey, you hit 100K on Instagram today.
Oh yeah guys, I just hit 100K on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for all your guys' love and support. And if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram or Snapchat, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. I will be leaving them down below.
And follow me, Nestor_323, Nestor Aguilar,
Nestor underscore Aguilar 323.
Yeah.
You see, I know it by heart
Right.
because he always makes me post him.
There you go.
Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with more videos
Bye.
next year.